Good morning, everybody. My name Sunil Agarwal. I am founder of the Association for Integrative Health and Research. I am also inventor of the Agarwal Energy Concept and Color Therapy. Means I am doing all the treatment, whatever the treatment may be, on the basis of energy, malfunction of energy. That treatment I am doing with the help of the color therapy. I am using this color on the Chinese Biol meridian and Chinese meridian and the body meridians. And there are many other reflexology points where I am using these colors. You must have seen my video, which are very popular and very common among my friends, those who are following me, the green chakra around the navel. This is a wonderful concept which I have developed, I have researched, and I am suggesting to my friends or the followers, those who are following, and they contact me for their consultation oblique health issues. Today I am going to discuss about the breast cancer issues. I will be making this video in 3 or 4 parts because it's a very lengthy topic. It cannot be covered in one video. There today I will just discuss the basic reason of the breast cancer which I have experienced during my 30 year of lifespan. I started my career in 1995 till today. I am doing always most of the research work on this acupressure, acupuncture, Sujog acupuncture, color therapy, and many more holistic therapies. I have a YouTube channel. You can always visit my YouTube channel AIHR Integrative Health. That channel is very useful for you people. There are so many protocols, so many videos which I have put over there on the basis of my experience and my results. Today I will start this video with the reasoning of the breast cancer. Why there is a breast cancer? Breast cancer is a very common disease among the female. Nowadays I have met so many ladies or girls, they contact me for this breast cancer issues on my Facebook pages or my messenger or any other sources of this related. First reason of breast cancer is abnormally growing cells in the body. The cell, which are two type of the cell in the body, one is the healthy cell and one is the destructive cell which is not healthy. So there are two cell types of cell. One is healthy cell, one is the bad cell. If in your body bad cells grow faster than the good cells, then there is a chances of accumulating these cells in your breasts. And these bad cells grow very faster. This is the beauty of the cell. The bad cell in the body grow very faster, which form a lump in the breast. Automatically they are the bad cell. They have the unity and they combine together and they form a lump in the breast or a fibroid in the breast. And the bad cells also affect the lymphatic system of the body. There is entire lymphatic system in the body. You may be seeing the lymph nodes are here, lymph nodes are here, lymph nodes are in the groin area. If the bad cells are active in the body, they go and choke the lymphatic system. That lymphatic system automatically close or affect your drainage system of the body, which excrete the toxin of the body automatically with the help of the lymphatic system. According to Agarwal energy concept and color therapy, I have done much research on this cancer patient and few of cancer patient they are surviving just only with my color treatment or Sajog acupuncture treatment or color therapy. I have found this. There are in addition to there are so many reasons for the cancer, but the most common reason I have found in the ladies their menstrual cycle. If you are having a menstrual cycle problems at any stage, whether it may be 17, 18, 30, 40, 45, that means if you are having a menstrual cycle problem, your bleeding is not properly, your bleeding has clots, or your uterus pain is there, lower abdomen pain is there, and ova is not matured, so that it can be excreted with the help of the menstrual cycle. These are the reasons. Next reason I found it, ovaries are reflection or correspondence your breast. If you are having any issue with your ovaries, then you must be having breast issue also. So many ladies complain during the menstrual cycle they have swelling in the breast or painful breast. Why? Because in anatomy, in medical science, ovary doesn't have any connection with the breast. But why this breast swelling is there, breast pain is there, breast stress is there when she is having a period issue. So I have found it. Okay, your ovaries are directly related with your breast. That you must always keep in mind. If you are aware of this fact, you will never have a breast cancer issue, because once you are having monthly or cycle issue, then only you can treat cycle issue, menstrual cycle issue. If you treat that menstrual cycle issue, your breast will not be affected. If breast is not affected, then there may not be any chances of the breast cancer. Secondly, the toxin of the body which was going to excrete from the menstrual cycle periods of it through bleeding, which is not able to excrete the things from the menstrual cycle. You are having a very less bleeding. That toxin accumulates in the body and it goes to the breast area, because breast is the most sensitive part of the ladies. There are few sensitive part of the ladies. One is the reproductive system, one is the breast area. So if there is any problem, if the problem in the breast, your period cycle will be affected. If there is a problem in the cycle system, menstrual cycle system, your breast will be affected. So third is the migraine. So many ladies having a painful periods, too much pain, and after that too much pain, they are also having the migraine. Migraine is also related with your menstrual cycle. So many ladies I have seen, so many patients I have seen, they are come to me for the migraine issue. But when I dig out their complete history, they told me that they are in the menopause stage or they are having the disturbed cycle and their blood flow is not proper during the menstrual cycle. So this menstrual cycle is also related with your migraine also, or headache also, or anxiety also. There are so many problems which is directly related with the your menstrual cycle. If you have a proper menstrual cycle, then you don't have to worry for this migraine system or the breast cancer. You can maintain your breast with the healthy menstrual cycle. Or there may be any other issue. You may be having a wrong size of breast, very tight of breast, or synthetic breast, synthetic clothing breast. These also affect the breast, because synthetic clothes are not allowing to enter the air, and there is so much sweating inside over the breast, if the breast or temperature is high, normal temperature of the body, so if you may find that there is something wrong. So that's why you must wear bras only on a particular time, or most of the time you must wear a cotton bra or a loose bra, so that you can maintain the temperature of your body with the bras also, with the chest also, breast also. These are the few points which I have discussed in this case, the reasoning of the breast cancer. So I think you must have understood. In the next video, 2-3 video will be on this issue, and the next video I will making for you people how to treat with the color therapy, acupuncture, classical acupuncture, Sujok, and there are various methods how you can treat your breast cancer issues. So thank you so much. Like my video, like my YouTube channel AIHR Integrative Health, and like my Facebook page. You will get many more information, and my mobile number is 991 is a country code, 91 is the country code, 9717380071. Again I will repeat, 91 is the country code, 9717380071. This is my mobile number and WhatsApp number. You may have any query, or you are welcome to ask any question. You are welcome. Okay. Namaste. Thank you. Wait for my next video. How you can treat with the help of the color or with the help of the point. And in third video, I will be discussing how you can control breast cancer or any type of the cancer in the body with the help of the just changing your food habits. Namaskar.